All right, it's time to take a look at the viewer's voice. The first is about the weekend attack on Dallas PD. It's from Virginia in Mineral Wells. She writes, "It is beyond my comprehension that the man who shot and planted pipe bombs at Dallas Police headquarters had the time to do this. If this kind of negligence were found in all cop headquarters, the USA would be in deep trouble." Next up, the story of the Dallas County Sheriff's Deputy, Katrina Caldwell. She's the one who threw out the spike strips that blew out 3 tires on the shooter's armored van. Nathan writes, "She seemed truly just as humble as she could be, and she did a great job and should be very proud of herself." Finally, I have some really bad news for this last emailer, although I'm going to assume right now he's not around to watch or hear his email make the viewer's voice. It's from Brian with love tonight. "Thank you, Heather, for running off Steve Eager. It's been a good week without him."
Aw.
Last week.
Right?
Hopefully he can stay gone permanently.
No.
Got some bad news for you, Brian. Let me hear from you. 214-720-3103 or send an email, click About Us, then contact us at fox4news.com.